everyone, today we'll discuss the topic some of the important problems that will be needed for integration. So we'll start from here. Now in this session we'll only discuss about the problems that will be needed, that is the important problems that will be needed for integration. Okay, so we'll start now. So first one, we'll solve some questions only because we know the formulas, what is the integration formula, some basic formula we know, and we have discussed in previous videos. We have discussed about the integration, what is integration, and some of the basic things already discussed. Okay, now so here we only discuss the form, some of the questions. So question number 1, we'll solve the question what will be important. So first one is sine square x, integration of sine square x. Now here sine square x integration is very easy, but we do some mistakes here. Okay, so sine square x, here how to find integration of sine square, how to find integration of cos square, we should know that one. This is the basic thing. So for this one we should know one trigonometric formula. What is the formula? So remember these formulas: 2 sine square x, first one 2 sine square x, this is very important, 1 minus cos 2x, this formula, and 2 cos square x. Now what is the formula? That will be 1 plus cos 2x. So that means you have to remember these two formulas for solving this. This is a very important trigonometry formula. So here what is given? Sine square x. So first I am taking half here, so that will be 2 sine square x, like this, 2 sine square x dx. Now what is 2 sine square x? We have just seen that 2 sine square x is 1 minus cos 2x dx, like this. Now half, what is the integration on 1? The integration of 1 is x, and integration of cos 2x, that will be sine 2x by 2 plus 6, so plus c, that one. Okay, so that will be the integration of sine square x. Similarly, integration of cos square x we can do like this. Okay, so here in integration of cos square x you have to use that formula, 1 plus cos 2x. Okay, done. Now next question number 2, we'll only do the questions here. So question number 2, integration of tan square x. First we'll do the basic problems, then we'll move to the harder one. So first, now second one is tan squared x. Now this is also a basic one that will be needed in many cases. Now tan squared x, what will be the integration of tan squared x? Now we should know that tan squared x, there is no formula for integration, but we know there is a formula of sec square x dx. Now what is the formula of sec square x? The formula is here tan x, like this. So that means here tan squared x, this also can be written as, now tan squared x, trigonometric formula is there. What is the trigonometric formula? The formula is sec square x minus 1 dx. Now what is the integration of sec square x? Now sec square x integration is tan x, and 1 integration is x plus c, like this. Okay, so whenever tan square x is given, so use the basic form. Tan square x can be written as sec square x minus 1, and integration of sec square is tan x, and integration of 1 is x. So that is the basic of this one. Now question number 3. Now we'll move to question number 3. So what is the question number 3? So question number 3 is given like this: 5 to the power 2 log x base 5 dx. Now what will be the integration of this one? Now for integration of this one, another formula you should know, the logarithm property, a to the power log x base a, the answer will be a, the x. That means if the base of the log and this value is same, the answer will be this one only, that means x. So here also you can see 5 to the power 2 log x, that means now 2, if the 2 goes there, if 2 goes there, that will become x square base 5 dx. Now here you can see the base and the value is same, that means we can use the property, that means it will become x square only. So x square dx. Now what is the integration? X cube by 3 plus c, like this. So here you have to use the property only, property of the logarithm. Next we'll move to the next one, question number 4. Now what is the question number 4? Question number 4 is similar like this: e to the power 6 log x, this is given, minus e to the power 5 log x divided by e to the power 4 log x, e to the power 4 log x minus e to the power 3 log x, and this is dx. So what will happen here? So e to the power 6 log x minus e to the power 5 log x divided by this one. Now how to solve this problem? Same process, e to the power, now there is a 6, if 6 goes there it will become log x to the power 6 minus e to the power log x to the power 5 here. Here also e to the power log x to the power 4 minus e to the power log x cube dx, like this. Now here nothing is there, na? Now here the base is not given. If the base is not given, that means the base is here e. All here the base is e. Now you can see the base is e, and here it is also e. So same property of log, the answer will be same what is written here. That means here it can be written integration of x to the power 6 minus here it will be x to the power 5, x to the power 5 divided by the denominator is here x to the power 4 and x cube, that is x to the power 4 minus x cube dx, like this. Okay, now from the numerator, what you can take, we can take x to the power 5. So if I take x to the power 5, it will be x minus 1, and from the denominator we can take x cube, and here also it will be x minus 1 dx. So x minus 1 cancel out, and x to the power 5 by x cube cancel out, that become x square dx. Now x square can be written as x cube by 3 plus c, like this. Okay, so that is x cube by 3 plus c, that will be the answer. So we'll move to the next one, that will be question number 5. Now question number 5. So what is given in question number 5? This type of question. Okay, integration of dx by 1 plus cos x. Now if it is 1 by 1 plus cos x, or 1 by 1 minus cos x, or 1 by 1 minus sin x, 1 by 1 plus sin x, we'll use the same thing. Okay, how to do this type of integration? Now for this type of integration, look, there is a plus na, so you have to multiply the numerator denominator opposite side. That means you have to multiply by minus. So here you have to multiply both side by numerator and denominator by minus. That means 1 minus cos x, that is 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x dx. So remember this one. So whenever 1 plus cos x, 1 minus cos x, 1 plus sin x, or 1 minus sin x is given, you have to multiply with opposite sign. Okay, so if plus is there, you have to multiply by minus, and if minus is given, you have to multiply by plus, like this. Okay, so here it will be 1 minus cos x, and the denominator will be 1 minus cos square x dx. Now 1 minus cos square x means sin square x. Okay, so that will be 1 minus cos x by sin square x dx. Now separate this one. Now if I separate this one, that will become 1 by sin square x minus cos x by sin square x, and this one is dx. Now 1 by sin square, what is 1 by sin square? Cosec square x. Okay, cosec square x. Now cos by sin square x, so cos by sin square x can be written like this: cos x by sin x into 1 by sin x. Okay, cos by sin square x can be written like this, and that is what? Cot x into cosec x. Okay, see here also we can write like this here. So here it will be cosec x into cot x, like this integration, this one, and cosec square x, the integration is minus cot x, and here it is minus cosec, that means plus cosec x plus c. So that will be the answer. So this is the question number 5. So whenever this type of thing, 1 plus cos x, 1 minus cos x, 1 plus sin x, 1 minus sin x is given, you have to use that form. That means you have to multiply both side by the opposite sign. Okay, so another technique, there is another technique to solve this thing, 1 plus cos x there is alternative method also. So dx by 1 plus cos x. Okay, so there is another technique to solve 1 plus cos x or 1 minus cos x. Well, what is the technique? So dx 1 plus cos x. Now what is the formula of 1 plus cos x? There is a trigonometric formula. What is the formula? 2 cos square x by 2. Now if 2 goes there, that will be a half, and 1 by cos square, that means it is sec square x by 2 dx. Now sec square, the integration of sec square x is tan, that means tan x by 2 divided by half plus c. Now this one will be cancelled out, so that means tan x by 2 plus c. So that is also correct. Okay, so for this one you can use that one on also. Okay, so done. Now we'll move to the next one, question number 6. Now we'll move to question number 6. Now what is question number 6 is given? So in question number 6 it is given like this: integration of dx by sine square x into cos square x. Okay, so this is given, integration dx by sine square x into cos square x. Now how to solve this one? How to solve? Now here you can see there is 1, nothing is there, that means there is a 1. Now this 1 can be written as cos square x plus sine square x, like this, and there is sine square x into cos square x dx. Okay, now separate this one, so that will become like this: cos square x by sine square x into cos square x plus sine square x by sine square x into cos square x, and this will be dx. So cos square cancel out, sine square cancel out. Now here you can see 1 by sine square. Now what is 1 by sine square? 1 by sine square will be cosec square x, like this, plus, now here you can see this is 1 by cos square. Now what is 1 by cos square? That is sec square x dx. Now integration of cosec square x is minus cot x, plus integration of sec square x is tan x plus c, like this. Okay, so this is the question number 6. Now we'll move to question number 7. Okay, so question number 7, so we'll just doing the basic one. First we'll do the basic one, next in the next classes we'll do the harder one. Okay, so number 7. So what is given? X to the power 6 plus 1 by x plus 1. Now how to do this one? Okay, x to the power 6 plus 1 by x plus 1. Now for this one, first of all, we know there is a formula of algebra. In formula there is a algebra formula. So what is the formula? First, x to the power 6 can be written as we can written as here it is given x square. Okay, x square plus 1. Now here this formula is like this: x to the power 2 whole to the power 3 plus 1 cube, and here it is given x square plus 1 dx, like this. Now a cube plus b cube, what is the formula? A plus b into a square, that means x to the power 4 plus a b plus b square, and divided by x square plus 1 dx. Now x square plus 1 cancel out. Done. Now here it is x to the power 4. Now what is x to the power 4? X to the power 5 by 5 plus, next x square is x cube by 3 plus, and 1, the integration will be x plus c. So that will be the answer: x to the 5 by 5, x cube by 3, and x plus c. So that will be the integration. Okay, like this. Now question number 8. In question number 8, suppose this is given like this: x to the power 6 plus 1 by x plus 1. Suppose this is given. Okay, now how to solve this question? X to the 6 plus 1 by x plus 1. For this question you know how to do the division. So x to the power 6 and there is plus 1. So first divide, okay, in the rough divide this one. That means you have to multiply by x to the power 5. So that will be x to the power 6 plus x to the power 5. Now subtract, you know the division. Okay, so x minus x to the power 5 plus 1. Now again you have to multiply by minus x to the power 4. That will be minus x to the power 5 minus x to the power 4. Change, that will become plus. So x to the power 4 plus 1. So here x cube, we have to multiply by x cube. So that will be x to the power 4 plus x cube. Now again subtract this one. Now if I subtract this one, that will become like this. That will become like this, minus x cube plus 1. Okay. Now again you have to multiply with minus x square. Now if I multiply with minus x square, what will happen? That will become minus x cube minus x square. Now again sign change, that will be plus. So there will be x square plus 1. Again you have to multiply by x. Now if I multiply by x, that will become x square plus x, like this. Okay, so that become, if again the sign change, minus minus, so that will be minus x plus 1. Okay, so it is coming minus x plus 1. Now look at here. So here you can see we have to multiply here minus 1. So here if I multiply minus 1, that will be minus x minus 1. So that will become minus x minus 1. Again sign change, plus plus. So that will be 2 only. So the answer is coming 2. And the quotient, what is the quotient is coming here? Quotient is coming here like this. X to the power 5 minus x to the power 4 plus x cube minus x square plus x minus 1. Now, so what does it mean? That means x to the power 6 plus 1. So from here we can say x to the power 6 plus 1 equals to, can be written as x plus 1 into x to the power 5 minus x to the power 4 plus x cube minus x square minus x plus 1, and at the end there is a remainder, and the remainder is here 2. So x to the 6 plus 1 can be written as this. Now we have to find what? We have to find the integration of x to the power 6 plus 1 by x plus 1. Now we can see, if I divide this one by x plus 1, here also x plus 1, what will happen? X plus 1 and x plus 1 will cancel out. So it will come like this, x to the power 5 minus x to the power 4 plus x cube minus x square minus x plus 1, and at the end 2 by x plus 1 dx, like this. Now the integration is very easy. X to the power 5, we know the integration of x to the power 5. So what is the integration? The integration will be x to the power 6 by 6. Next page, we'll do the next page. Okay, so the integration will be x to the power 6 by 6 minus, then the next step is x to the power 4. Now what is the integration of x to the power 4? That is x to the power 5 by 5, then it will be x to the power 4 by 4 minus, that is x cube by 3 plus x square by 2 minus, then integration of 1. Now what is the integration of 1? The integration of 1 is here. So what is the integration of 1? The integration of 1 is here, x, and at the end there is 2 by x plus 1. 2 by x plus 1 is 2 log mod x plus 1 plus c. So that will be the total integration. Okay, done. Now this one is the way to solve this type of problem. Now we'll do the next one, question number 9. We'll solve question number 9. So what is the question number 9? So question number 9 is look like this. It is given like e to the integration of dx by e to the power x plus 1. Now this type of problem, how to solve this type of problem? Whenever this type of thing is given, dx by e to the power x plus 1. So first of all, what we need to do is that we have to multiply both sides numerator and denominator by opposite one. That means e to the power x is given, na? So you have to multiply the numerator denominator by e to the power minus x. If I multiply, what will happen? E to the power minus x, that will become e to the power minus x into e to the power x plus 1, and there is a dx. So that will be e to the power minus x, and look at the denominator here. If I multiply, it will be 1 plus e to the power minus x dx, like this. Okay. Now what will be the integration of this one? Now for integration of this one, if I see properly, look at here. Now find the derivative of this one. 1, derivative of 1 is 0, and e to the power minus x. What is the derivative? Minus e to the power minus x. So that means there is e to the power minus x. I need minus e to the power minus x. So just put here, just I am taking 1 minus here, and outside there will be a minus, because minus minus will be plus. Then now we can see that derivative of the denominator is coming the numerator. That means the integration will be log mod the denominator, that one, plus c, like this. Okay, so that will be the integration. Done. Now question number 10. Question number 10, this type of problem. Suppose it is given sine mx into sine nx. Okay, or anything like this, or it can be given like sine 3x cos 2x, cos 2x sine 3x, or like this type of problem. Now how to solve this type of problem? Now for this type of problem, you should know some of the trigonometric formula. Now what are the trigonometric formulas? First of all, 2 sin x cos y, this one. Now what is the formula? The formula is sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. So this is the first one. Next one is 2 cos x sin y. Now what is the formula? Same formula, but there will be a minus sign. X plus y minus sin x minus 1 y. Now 2 cos x cos y. Now what is cos x cos y? That will be cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. And next is 2 sin x sin y. So that will be cos x minus y minus cos x plus y, like this. So here it is given like this, sin x sin y formula. So first of all, what we need to do is that take a half here, take a half and multiply by 2. So that will become like this, 2 sin x sin y. What is the formula? 2 sin x sin y, the formula is cos x minus y, cos x minus y minus y. Okay, suppose this is given, yes, cos x minus y and in minus cos x plus y, that formula, cos x plus y and dx. So what will happen here? So that will become like this, integration of cos m minus n x minus cos m plus n x, like this, and there is a dx. Now integrate this one. What will be the integration? Cos. What is the integration of cos? That is sine m minus n x by m minus n. And here what is the integration of cos? That is again sine m plus n x by m plus n plus c, like this. Okay, so here condition is that m will be not equals to n. Okay, so here provided that m will be not equals to n here. Okay, so the condition is here m not equals to n, m not equals to n. This is a condition for this, because if n equals to n, what will happen? If n equals to n, then this quantity will become 0. Okay, something by 0 by 0, you'll get 0 by 0. So here m is not equals to n. Now what will happen if n equals to n? Okay, now for n equals to n, m equals to n, what will happen? So this will become like this, sin mx into, now here it is sin nx na, so it will become m and n are equal, so that will be again sin mx dx, so that will be sin square mx like this dx. Now how to find sin square integration? So we have just done this one. Okay, sin square, whenever sin square is there, half multiplied 2. Now 2 sin square x, what is the formula? 1 minus cos 2x like this. Okay, now do the integration. Half integration of 1 is x, cos is sin 2mx by 2m plus c like this. Okay, done. So those are the problems we have done, and in the next classes we'll solve more problems of integration. Okay, thank you for today.